Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture in Subway Surfers step by step. Whether you are playing on Android or iOS, it's super simple, so let's get started. First of all, launch open Subway Surfers on your device, and then from the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture, which is located at the top left where it says high score over here. And once you tap on that, you will see your name and your high scores. Click on the edit button underneath your current avatar, and then under portrait, select a new avatar from the choices given. After selecting an avatar, click on save. You can also add frames and badges to your avatar from selecting from the options. You can choose if any frames is available, and once you are done, you have successfully changed your profile avatar or picture in Subway Surfers. Now you know exactly how you can do that. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.